Good morning. I would like to inquire about purchasing a plane ticket to Brazil, please.
Good morning. Certainly, I'll be happy to assist you. Could you please provide me with some details? When are you planning to travel to Brazil?
I'm looking to travel sometime in May. Ideally, I would like to depart on May 15th and return around the 30th.
May 15th to May 30th. Got it. And which city in Brazil are you planning to visit?
I'm interested in visiting Rio de Janeiro. It has been on my bucket list for a while, and I've heard amazing things about the city.
Rio de Janeiro is indeed a fantastic destination. Are you looking for a round-trip ticket or one-way?
I'll need a round-trip ticket, please.
Great. Could you also let me know the departure airport you prefer?
I would like to depart from Chicago O'Hare International Airport.
Understood. Now, is there a specific airline you prefer or any airline you'd like me to consider?
I don't have a particular preference. I'm open to any reputable airline that offers a convenient itinerary.
Perfect. I will check the available options for you. Just to confirm, are you traveling alone or will there be any accompanying passengers?
It will be just me traveling.
Let me search for the best flights that match your preferences. Please bear with me for a moment. I have found a few options for you. There's a round-trip flight with United Airlines departing from Chicago O'Hare on May 15th, and the return flight would be on May 30th. The total cost for this ticket is $850, including all taxes and fees.
That sounds reasonable. Could you please provide me with the flight details like the departure and arrival times?
Of course. The departure from Chicago O'Hare is scheduled for 9:30 a.m. local time, and you'll arrive in Rio de Janeiro at 9:45 p.m. local time. The return flight departs from Rio de Janeiro at 11 p.m. and arrives in Chicago O'Hare at 6:30 a.m. the next day.
That seems like a good itinerary. I would like to proceed with booking that flight, please.
Wonderful. To finalize the booking, I will need some personal information from you, such as your full name, date of birth, and passport details. Can you please provide me with those details? Thank you for providing the required information. Your flight has been booked successfully. You will receive an email shortly with your e-ticket and all the necessary details. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's all for now. Thank you so much for your help. I'm excited about my trip to Rio de Janeiro.
You're most welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. I hope you have a fantastic time in Rio de Janeiro. If you have any further questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a great day too. Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travels.